Unveiling the mystery, 10 differences between pigeons and doves. Those cooing birds strutting around parks and city squares, are they pigeons or doves? The answer might surprise you. For many, these plump, gray birds with a taste for discarded fries seem interchangeable. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of two common birds often mistaken for one another, pigeons and doves. While they may seem similar at first glance, these feathered friends have distinct characteristics that set them apart. Join us as we explore and dive into 10 surprising differences between pigeons and doves. Number 1. A tale of two terms, lineage and labels. The pigeon versus dove debate isn't about distinct species, it's more a matter of linguistics. Both pigeons and doves belong to the same family, Columbidae, which boasts over 300 fascinating feathered members. Pigeon is a French term, while dove has Germanic roots. Over time, the terms became loosely associated with size, with pigeon referring to larger birds and dove for their smaller kin. Number 2. Physical appearance. At first glance, pigeons and doves may look alike, but upon closer inspection, there are subtle differences in their appearance. Pigeons tend to be larger and stockier with broader bodies and shorter tails. They often have iridescent feathers on their necks and a more pronounced crown on their heads. On the other hand, doves are typically smaller and more slender, with longer tails and softer, more muted plumage. Number 3. Habitat and behavior. While both pigeons and doves are highly adaptable birds found in a variety of habitats worldwide, they do exhibit different behaviors and preferences. Pigeons are often associated with urban environments, where they thrive in bustling cities and feed on scraps of food left by humans. Doves, on the other hand, are commonly found in more rural or suburban areas, where they prefer open spaces and quiet surroundings. Number 4. A colorful display, unveiling differences in plumage. Both pigeons and doves come in a variety of colors, but their overall palettes differ. Pigeons tend to have a more muted, gray and brown plumage, often with iridescent highlights visible in certain lighting. Doves, however, showcase a wider range of colors, including white, brown, and even some with splashes of red or blue. Their feathers are often more intricately patterned, with spots, bars, and other markings adding to their beauty. Number 5. Nesting habits. One of the most noticeable differences between pigeons and doves is their nesting behavior. Pigeons are notorious for building large, messy nests made of twigs, sticks, and other debris, often in the eaves of buildings or on ledges. These nests can be quite conspicuous and sometimes cause annoyance to humans due to their proximity to urban dwellings. In contrast, doves are more discreet nesters, often choosing hidden locations such as tree branches or shrubs to build their simple, cup-shaped nests. Number 6. Vocalizations. While both pigeons and doves are known for their soft, cooing calls, there are subtle differences in the sounds they make. Pigeons tend to have a deeper, throatier cooing sound, often described as a series of coo-coo-coos. Doves, on the other hand, produce a softer, more melodic cooing sound, sometimes likened to the phrase coo-o-o-o. Number 7. Differences in parenting styles. Both pigeons and doves are devoted parents, raising their young on a diet of crop milk, a protein-rich substance produced in their crops. However, their approaches to raising chicks differ slightly. Pigeons typically lay 2 eggs at a time and share incubation duties between parents. Doves, on the other hand, may lay up to 4 eggs and often take turns incubating and feeding the chicks more frequently. Number 8. Flight patterns. Observing the flight patterns of pigeons and doves can also help distinguish between the two species. Pigeons are known for their strong, swift flight, characterized by rapid wing beats and agile maneuvers. They often fly in flocks, wheeling and darting through the air with remarkable agility. Doves, on the other hand, have a more leisurely and graceful flight, with slower wing beats and a more relaxed demeanor. Number 9. Feeding preferences. While both pigeons and doves are primarily seed-eating birds, they have slightly different feeding preferences. Pigeons are more omnivorous and opportunistic feeders, readily consuming a wide range of foods, including grains, seeds, fruits, and even small insects. They are often seen foraging on the ground or scavenging for scraps in urban areas. Doves, on the other hand, have a more herbivorous diet, primarily feeding on seeds and grains found on the ground or in low vegetation. Number 10. Cultural significance. Throughout history, both pigeons and doves have held symbolic significance in various cultures around the world. Pigeons, with their ability to navigate vast distances and deliver messages, have been used as messengers and symbols of peace and communication. Doves, with their gentle demeanor and soft cooing calls, have long been associated with love, purity, and spirituality in many cultures. Conclusion. So there you have it, nature lovers. While pigeons and doves may seem similar at first glance, they are two distinct species with unique characteristics and behaviors. Whether you're marveling at their aerial acrobatics or enjoying the soothing sounds of their cooing calls, these feathered friends never cease to captivate our hearts and minds. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the surprising differences between pigeons and doves. Now, share your experience with this creature here. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more captivating wildlife content. Stay tuned for more wildlife wonders on our channel.